hold to the side. Okay, relaxing. All right. So we've been doing some cranial work with Stephanie. She really loves it. So are you okay if we do a cranial?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna do a cranial facial release, which is an intranasal balloon adjustment. Tissues for the rest of the finger. Just check here. Push up for me. Good. Just gonna check over here, holding. Okay, and relaxing down. Just get ready here. All right. Ready?
All right,
All right,
let's
so
do
we're
it.
gonna do the cranial.
Okay.
We're gonna start on the left side, okay?
Okay.
All right, so just resting here. Okay, we're going in. All set up here. All right. So like before, Stephanie,
Okay.
if you can tell me when you're ready, and we'll do the 2 breaths, okay?
Ready? Okay.
Okay, ready, first breath. Good, easy breath out. Letting your body and muscles relax. Good, second one, breath in. Flex your feet up. Here we go. Okay. All right, nicely today. Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
Ready for the right side?
Yes.
Or do you need a moment?
I'm good.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
Getting the balloon inserted here. Good. All right, so once again, ready? If you're ready, first breath. Good. Easy breath out. Good. Second one, breath in. Flex your feet up. Good. Here we go. All right. You made that look easy today.
All right.
All right. So part of the reason for checking the cranials is influence from the cranial nerves and how they affect both the sternocleidomastoid and that upper trapezius that we're working on today. So in just a moment, we're going to recheck those.